Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add YouTube music widget from home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the screen of your Samsung Galaxy A02. And after that guys, okay, you can see below the wallpaper, widget, and home screen setting. And okay guys, you only have to do is select the widget. Okay, go to widget. And okay guys, here in widget, okay, you can scroll to the left or to the right to select the widget. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add YouTube music widget from your home screen. And okay guys, here you can see the YouTube music. And okay guys, you only have to do is press and hold the YouTube music widget, and now you can select the position to your home screen. And okay guys, so I decide here, and okay guys, okay, we have successfully add the YouTube music widget to your home screen in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.